How to set the calendar event colors from very muted to very bright on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the calendar app. Then we tap on the menu button. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then at the top here, tap on change calendar style. And then we go down to event colors. In here, you can choose the color style, very muted. So you can see a preview up here. And then we got muted, and then bright, then very bright. So we go from very kind of pale color to very bright. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key to go back to your calendar page, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.